Now, Diwali, the festival of lights, has several scientific aspects associated with it. It brings people together, promoting social bonding and cultural heritage. It can be celebrated in a way that balance environmental sustainability with wealth and prosperity. Diyas are often made from clay or ceramic materials which can stand with high temperatures. So, let's meet our talented performers and learn about the science that makes Diwali so magical.
We all love Diwali, right? Right? Lights, sweets, fireworks, new clothes, and so much fun. But have you ever wondered what science behind all of this celebration? Today, let's find out in fun and simple way. चलो शुरू करते हैं. My name is Veer Balwant Thakur. Today I am explaining about the science of diya. When we light a diya, the oil like mustard oil, ghee, and coconut oil. The light burn and give out light and heat. It happens because the oil chemical energy, when it reacts with oxygen, it changes into the light energy and heat energy. In simple words, when you light a diya, you do a small science experiment. So next time you see that glowing flames, remember that's chemistry in action. और हाँ, ये दिए बस घर को ही रोशनी नहीं, हमारे दिलों को भी उजालती. I am from class 4. Colors and sound of chemistry. Now let's talk about the boom part of Diwali, the firecrackers. Each firecracker is like a mini lab. It has chemicals that create colors, sounds. For example, sodium makes red, sodium makes yellow. When these burn, they go to the rapid oxidation and energy released in air and light. That's why you see many bright colors in the sky. Science is celebrating with us. In old people believe in the sound, smoke, keep insects away after the rainy season. But today we know too many crackers cause air pollution. So what's the solution? Green crackers. Developed by CSIR NEERI in India, this reduces smoke by noise developed by almost 30%. That's why I say celebrate Green Diwali, Clean Diwali. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Ganesh Deshpande. Health and Psychology. Diwali is also and even and good evening everyone. My name is Kunal Vivek More. I am for class 4. Do you know on Diwali nights the air moves slowly because of cold weather. So the smoke and gases from crackers get trapped near the ground and stay longer. That way pollution feels heavier after Diwali. So kind, let's protect our planet. Use diyas, lights and eco-friendly decoration and keep our air clean and fresh. Thank you. Good evening everyone. My name is Charan Avinashwar. I am from class 4. Diwali is celebrated on Amusha 5th, the new moon day of the Hindu month. That's why the night is complete dark and we light the diyas to bring brightness and hope. Diwali also comes right after the rainy season. So it helps clean the air, dry the dampness and make our home healthy again. That's why many Indian festivals around this time are linked to harvest and happiness. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. My name is Pranav. I am from class 4th. Diwali is not just about science, it also about togetherness. It brings families, friends, and neighbors closer. We clean our home, decorate them, and share sweets and say thank you to each other. That's called gratitude, and it make our heart, hearts happy. Also, Diwali supports small businesses like diya makers, sweet shop, craftsmen, and local markets. So, when you buy handmade diyas or sweets, you are helping someone's family too. Modern science also say we can celebrate smartly with LED lights, natural colors, and green crackers. So we keep joy and protect uh, nature too. Thank you. So, kids, now we know Diwali is not just about light and sweet. It's a festival full of science, health, happiness, and care. Let's promise to celebrate with love, safety, and responsibility. Spread light, not smoke. Spread joy, not noise. और सबसे जरूरी बात, हर दिवाली बनाए एक ग्रीन एंड रेड दिवाली.
So enjoy eco-friendly Diwali. Thank you. Now I request Nabha ma'am to come.